Good morning, everyone in Miami. So today, executive cleanings on Miami. We're cleaning an Airbnb. We're gonna be doing this sofa. These two beautiful chairs. They're not too bad. We're using the Mighty Light today. Small machine, but there's no need for anything bigger than that. This one we already set up. Pre-sprayed, scrubbed, ready to extract. Small bed. And then another bed, another upholstery bed, which is this one here. Also already pre-sprayed, scrubbed, and ready to go. All right. Stay here.
I can't
Keep you updated. Let's get the water out. Woo. That's how dirty the beds were. I use a lot of solution on this sofa, and the reason for that is because I want to get pretty deep in the fibers. This is an Airbnb, and we are in South Beach, Miami, Florida, Miami Beach. So usually these sofas and beds and chairs, they have a lot of body oils, suede, and especially tanning lotion. So it's very important for us to get rid of all of that, extract it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. this video, that's how much tanning lotion there was in the furniture. And that's pretty usual here in South Florida, especially on the Airbnbs on the beach area, because that's what the people come for. You know, they go to the beach, they use tanning lotion, and then, you know, they come sit in the furniture, and it has to be clean. It has to be clean, otherwise it will accumulate and ruin your furniture. So every 3 to 6 months, it should be maintained, extracted, and, you know, get rid of all those oils and contaminants and body lotion, tanning lotion, all that stuff. So anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it, and subscribe, and we'll be posting more tomorrow.